Welcome back to another video, everyone. I'm Jim Davis, owner and operator of Hi-Fi Power Washing, and today we're doing another double whammy. Doing a house wash, but we're gonna start with the concrete. Do you guys like fast cleaning time lapses to music? Well, that's what you're gonna do. Driveway number 2, and after this we will get the house washed. But anyway, while I was over at the truck, neighbor Fred walked over, wanted a price on his concrete. We're doing it tomorrow, and he's texting me the address for some building that he wants a quote on that. So that is pretty cool. Just need to empty the soap from the line. We'll hook the surface cleaner up. Start up here around the top of the garage, work our way down. I had a great workout this morning at Crunch Fitness. Did an extreme hit, which is high intensity interval training. We are in the home stretch now. The house is done and most of the concrete's done. All except for this little bit here. I haven't moved the truck yet. This is clean behind me. And that's what I still got left to do. Can you tell a difference? A blind man can tell a difference in that. All right, let's knock this out. And when I say knock it out, I mean, I'm talking about Flash Gordon speed, people. That's how we roll. Hey, Jim. Come on out and check it out. I'm finished now. But all your sidewalks, all the curbs, all the way around the property, they're clean. The house, all the way around, all your gutters are looking good, all the soffit. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good.
All right. You feel pretty good about everything?
Yeah, it looks good.
Well, excellent. I'm wanting to launch my drone so I can get a picture of the front of this building. cleaned this today. I thought I was going to be done a little after lunch. I had originally planned to start this at like 10 o'clock today, but as I finished up across the street yesterday, I was having a freaking leak right where my inlet is what this is called. This is a new one now, and got a new one this morning. But I've had a quick connect system to hook my water in for the last little bit, and I've liked the quick connect because I don't like having to screw in a freaking hose right there. But man, trying to get that to stop leaking opened up a whole nother can of worms. And now I've got 2 ball valves that I've got problems with. So tomorrow or Sunday is going to be get my equipment right and get ready for next week. But our cleanup here turned out very good. It's still wet. But before we leave, let me show you where we're cleaning at the beginning of this video. Check it out. That's where we didn't clean, and that's where we cleaned. Can you tell the difference? Yeah, this looks great. Hi there. Hey, pup. But I think it makes such a big difference cleaning the curbs. What if I would have left these curbs as dirty and as black as they were when I got here yesterday? I should take a drone picture of this. I'm not, because I'm tired and I'm hungry and I'm getting ready to leave. But maybe we'll be back in this neighborhood. That's a dirty driveway across the street right there. Went ahead and cleaned to the curb, and dadgummit, I can't stand mud, especially red mud. I promise you, this was clean, but look, after I left, it was wet, and this, and I'm all packed up, so I damn sure ain't pulling my stuff out and doing this again. And I had to quit there because I couldn't reach any further. But I think after we get a good rain, this will be washed away. And I always feel bad about leaving this, but what do you freaking do? Like, I'm not getting paid to clean the road in the neighborhood. You know, I have to cut it off at some point. You know, I'm already, as a courtesy almost, doing the curbs. So, I mean, you'd be surprised how many people never even do the curbs. They just clean the driveway and leave sidewalks and curbs, you know, filthy. You know, if I had it to do over again, I would go ahead and clean that instead of leave it. But oh well. So I got to get back and check on Beamer because it's 8 o'clock. Man, I've been gone almost 12 hours. But this is a good neighborhood in Simpsonville. And I see some roofs that could be cleaned in here. I did a quote this morning for a whole bunch of stuff. Roof, house, concrete, deck, fence. And there was another guy named Jim. And I, you know, broke the drone out, but he's waiting for a quote from some other guy that he talked to before me. But he had a PDF quote, drone shots and everything from me before I even left with the quickness. So I feel like I'm gonna get that one. But Chase is gonna come up Sunday morning. I'm gonna cook us some steaks, and we're gonna get all of our equipment put together real good where there's no kind of leaks or anything like that, and all the quick connects are oiled up, ready to rock and roll the way I like it. And Chase, he's more of the natural maintenance man tool guy than I am. I'm the sales guy. I like getting out and hustling and getting jobs and getting quotes and meeting people and doing big things. And I like doing the work too, but man, my body can't always do it all. I start getting sore. But working out helps. I'm not as sore as I used to get. My endurance has increased. But thanks a bunch for watching, and I'm not even going to tell you about the wreck I had yesterday back there.